Okay, today I'm going to tell you about the plant nutrition. Plant takes their nutrition as well because they are the living organisms. Living organisms depends upon nutrition to perform their daily life functions. Plants do not take nutrition like as we do. जैसे हम खाते हैं पीते हैं ऐसे प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन हासिल नहीं करते हैं बल्कि they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and a special pigment known as chlorophyll. And the process by which they prepare their food is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is actually the combination of two words. Photo means light and synthesis means to prepare. Okay? So what happened? During the process of photosynthesis, the plant prepare its food with the help of simple inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds, what? Like carbon dioxide and water, which is a simple inorganic compound. पानी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की मदद से अपना खाना बनाते हैं in the presence of sunlight and with the help of pigment chlorophyll. And then they convert this carbon dioxide and water into complex organic compound, which is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, that is simple sugar. I think we have studied carbohydrate, protein in our last chapter. So what happened during the process of photosynthesis? First of all, the chlorophyll, it traps the sunlight. What happens when the light falls on the leaf, the green part of the plant that contains chlorophyll? You know that the green color of the plant is due to the presence of pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll actually absorbs two colors of light. You know the light is a combination of 7 colors, in which blue and red color is absorbed by the chlorophyll, and the green color is reflected from different parts of the plant that appears to be green, especially the leaf. The green color is due to the reflection of that green color. So what happens with these chlorophyll absorbs the red and blue color of the sunlight, and then this absorption of light produce the packet of energy which is known as photon or quanta. This energy is used just like an electricity. आपने देखा होगा ना यूपीएस के अंदर की एनर्जी सेव हो जाती है और फिर वो कन्वर्ट होके इस्तेमाल होती रहती है जबकि एनर्जी अवेलेबल नहीं होती. Just like this chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight and saves that energy which is used for the decomposition or the breaking up of water molecule, which is known as phytolysis. The breaking up of water molecule is known as phytolysis. पानी का टूटना क्या कहलाता है? Phytolysis. ओके फिर क्या होता है जब ये पानी टूट जाता है तो क्या होता है ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन अलग हो जाते हैं. ठीक है अब क्या होता है what happens next is the energy is saved in the chlorophyll. Now the part of the photosynthesis is in which energy the part of the process photosynthesis in which energy is required and saved in the chlorophyll is known as light reaction, in which sunlight energy is saved in the chlorophyll and is used in the breaking up of water molecule. Now the other part of photosynthesis is known as dark reaction. Here there is no need of sunlight because the energy is already saved in the chlorophyll. Now this energy is used in the combining of carbon dioxide with the water molecule which was break up in the first step. Now in this step, by the combination of carbon dioxide and the broken up water molecule, carbohydrate is formed and oxygen is released as a byproduct. It is not as simple as you are just listening to it. It involves plenty of processes between it so that the final product carbohydrate is formed with the release of oxygen. So the equation for the process of photosynthesis is C6CO2 plus 6H2O will give rise to 6 molecules of carbohydrates and 6 molecules of oxygen. So if we want to define the process photosynthesis is a process in which plant prepares their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which plant prepares its own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And the equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. It combines with water to form carbohydrate, and oxygen is released during this process. And during this process, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Now the question answer session. Yes, you can ask, you can unmute yourself and ask question one by one. Yes, Amin, any question?
Please, can you tell the formula of photosynthesis?
Sorry?
Formula of photosynthesis.
There is no formula of photosynthesis. There is actually the equation for photosynthesis.
Equation, teacher.
C6, 6 molecules of CO2. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O will give rise to C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of oxygen.
Miss, in the book it says 6 carbon dioxide molecules plus 12 hydrogen, no, not hydrogen, water molecules.
Yeah, this is the new equation for it, because the simple equation which I told you earlier is a simple equation for photosynthesis. But the equation which you are telling me right now is the equation which shows that it involves further more processes during the whole during the whole stages of photosynthesis. Both are correct. Yes, next question. Yes, Kirat, Inshira.
Miss, could you explain the pytholysis again?
Photolysis.
Yes.
Photolysis. Photolysis or hydrolysis. It means that by the help of sunlight, the water molecule is break up into its main constituent, oxygen and hydrogen. Yes, next question. Yes, next question, please. You don't want to ask any more questions?
No, Miss.
Shall we continue?
Yes.
Yes.
The carbohydrate which is used during the process of photosynthesis, simple sugar. And this simple sugar is utilized by different parts of the plant to perform their daily function. ठीक है, जो food यानी कि जो ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, ये क्या है? ये फूड है, उसका खाना है, न्यूट्रिशन है प्लांट का. और क्या होता है, ये प्लांट के डिफरेंट हिस्से इसको यूज करते हैं. फिर क्या होता है कि जब जो एक्सेस अमाउंट में बचता है, प्लांट के अंदर, तो वो क्या होता है कि वो डिफरेंट प्लांट सेल के अंदर सेव होता जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च। ठीक है, स्टार्च क्या है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर है, सही है, जो स्टोरेज के लिए यूज करते हैं, जो अभी हम लोग पीछे पढ़ के आए हैं, लेकिन मैं उसको दोबारा रिपीट करूंगी आप लोगों के लिए, सही है। जो ये जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, जब इसको स्टोरेज फॉर्म में प्लांट सेव करता है अपने पास, तो किस फॉर्म में करता है? स्टार्च फॉर्म में। किस फॉर्म में करता है?
स्टार्च।
स्टार्च फॉर्म में। अच्छा, अब ये जो सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, जिसको ग्लूकोज भी कहते हैं, ये ग्लूकोज जो है ये सॉल्युबल फॉर्म में होती है। सॉल्युबल फॉर्म में मींस कि ये इजीली प्लांट के साइटोप्लाज्म में डिसॉल्व हो जाती है। लेकिन ये जो स्टार्च है, ये स्टार्च इनसॉल्युबल फॉर्म में होता है और ये इजीली डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है। इसके ऊपर एंजाइम एक्ट करते हैं, तो ये फिर सिंपल फॉर्म में आता है, और फिर ये सिंपल फॉर्म में आने के बाद ये जो है फिर यूटिलाइज होता है प्लांट से। ठीक है, जहां जहां प्लांट को इसकी जरूरत होती है। अच्छा, प्लांट्स की मुख्तलिफ स्टोरेज ऑर्गन भी होते हैं। स्टोरेज ऑर्गन, एक तो वो हर प्लांट का सेल अपने पास उसको ग्रेन्यूल्स की सूरत में अपने पास सेव करता है। इसके अलावा आपने देखा होता है कि बहुत से प्लांट जो है अपना फूड स्टोर करते हैं अपने रूट्स में, अपने फ्रूट में, ताकि जब उसको जरूरत हो वहां से उसको यूटिलाइज करके यूज कर सके। Okay, now the importance of photosynthesis to plant. Importance क्या है फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्लांट की? समीन कुछ बताएंगी इस बारे में?
Plant need photosynthesis to make its own food by using chlorophyll.
Okay.
By using sunlight.
And what do you think? What else? अगर ये plant, we use these plant as a source of energy for ourselves as well, ना? अगर हमारे पास ये प्लांट्स ना हो और वो फोटोसिंथेसिस परफॉर्म ना करते हो, तो हम एनर्जी कहाँ से हासिल करेंगे? Because most part of our nutrition depends upon plant. We take vegetables, seeds, grains, fruits, everything from plants, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why these are important for us or not?
Yes.
And the other part, other importance of plant is that they produce oxygen during their process of photosynthesis. And most part of oxygen on the earth recovers through this process of photosynthesis. अगर plant ना हो तो ये जो ऑक्सीजन हवा के अंदर है वो यूटिलाइज हो के खत्म हो जाए। इन प्लांट्स की वजह से ही वो जो ऑक्सीजन हवा में मौजूद है वो रिसाइकल हो रही है, वो वापस हवा के अंदर जो 21% ऑक्सीजन मौजूद है वो मौजूद रहती है।
मिस,
अगर ऐसा ना हो तो फिर क्या होगा?
मिस फिर ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगा।
नहीं होगा।
Miss, the class is about to end. It says it's 1.
मैं यही देख रही हूँ। फिर आज के लिए हम लोग इतना ही